Today, I'm going to show you a cool AI tool that'll allow you to take your podcast listening to the next level. Now, this tool is called Podwise, but I guess we'll just go with the Lex Friedman podcast. And from here, we have a selection of all of the podcasts that they have done. Now, for each episode, you get an outline of this, so you can sort of get an idea of what you can expect in this episode. And so under the summary, you get a summary, and then you get a takeaways with some bullet points, and then you get outlines of individual sections. And then lastly, it just puts the Q&As that they had in the episode. So moving on to the mind map, showing where they got to each category and each section in this podcast. Now, next up is this keywords tab, which is really good if it's a very high level podcast. Next up for the highlights tab, it gives you sort of the big highlights and takeaways from this episode. And finally, the transcripts tab has a transcript of everything that is said. So overall, a great AI tool.